English Dictionary. Sani en sa ang'wen kod dakika piero abich kod abiriyo. Wadwa mana chako. Erokamano. Wadwa mana chako. Koro, this is the second part of the video that we started last week. Welcome so much, everybody, the people who are just joining me from Facebook. Welcome so very much. And we want to try out and finish up with what we started last week. That is rooms and things in your house. And we said, remember, I will do a small recap here. Rooms, house, we said, is called ot. That is house, ot. Then living room is korbudo. Hey, watu wa Facebook, mumeleta kichwa. Thank you so very much for following, for liking, so very much. Thank you. So living room is ot. No, sorry. House is ot. Living room is korbudo. Dining room is korchiemo. And translated, kor means the side of, okay? For rest. If you like literally translate it, korbudo would mean the side for resting. So that's is essentially what they did. Is they did not really give it names. They just said what the purpose of the room was, okay? Like the side of eating. This translates to the side of eating. That is korchiemo. Okay? That's why bedroom would be, because it's the side of sleeping, so it just be kornindo. That's why we say bedroom is kornindo. Okay? So that's a recap of what we talked about. Kortedo is also known as jikoni, because jokon is a corrupted word from jikon, and jikon is a Swahili word. Then the restroom is losruok. Losruok is feces. So the part of the restroom is that, okay? Then kornindo, karkeno, storeroom, and then granary is there. Now remember last week we did a few examples here. Please go and watch that video. It's still online. Today we just want to do the few ones that were remaining, which is kitchen. Where is it? Utensils. In the kitchen we have utensils. We just want to look at utensils. And utensils is called sende. Sende. That is utensils. Sende. Some people from, especially from a Lego area, they say saende. They pronounce it as saende. Alego and Ugenya. So I don't know which one is correct, but it doesn't matter. Sende is correct. You can still use sende. Everybody will know what you're talking about. If you say saende, someone will know what you're talking about. So which plates should I take to the table? So remember we're translating the words. So gin sende mage ma onego ater e mesa. Which plates should I take to the table? Gin sende mage ma onego ater e mesa. So that is a very nice translation of that. Gin sende mage ma onego ater e mesa. Then the spoons and knives are all dirty. Ojike kod pendni te olil. Now, this I will also do the singular, because singular is a little different. It will be different. So let me just do the singular. ojike kod pendni te olil. Or ojiko kod pala olil. If it's one, if it's many of them, all spoons, many spoons is ojike, and many knives is pendni. Okay, so if it's more than one, we can say ojike kod pendni te olil. But if it's just one, then we just say ojiko kod pala. So the spoon and the knife are dirty. Ojiko kod pala olil. I hope this makes a lot of sense. Then I haven't seen the cup since yesterday. Pok aneno okombe okombe no, the cup. Chakre nyoro. So I haven't seen the spoon. I haven't seen the cup and since yesterday. Pok aneno okombe no chakre, not chakra, like chakre nyoro. Pok aneno okombe no chakre nyoro. Then the last one here for the utensils. Bring 3 cups and 4 plates. Kel okombe adek kod sende angwen. Bring 3 cups and 4 plates. Kel okombe adek kod sende angwen. Good. Of course, if you have any other sentence you want us to look at, you can always put them on the chat box, and we shall always be glad to incorporate your views into this video. Remember, this is a live stream, so you're always welcome to give your ideas. So let's move on. But before we move on, there is the word fridge, and the word fridge is oh, there it is. Brian Mutai says angwen for Luo is angwan for Kalenjin. It's almost the same. Angwan. Angwen for Luo, angwan for Kalenjin. So we are sharing some ideas. I think, and Kalenjins, are our neighbors. So maybe the word was borrowed from us or we borrowed from them. That's a very good. Thank you for letting us know that, Brian. Very nice. Dining room. So dining room would translate to, because it's a place for dining, kor what? Kor chiemo. That would be. Oh, you say that pronounce it correctly. Yes, because angwen and angwan is the same thing. I think, and we are neighbors. So, maybe we just borrowed from you guys. Or you borrowed from us. And then you just were like, oh, no, wait, let's just use angwan. Or let's use angwen. Okay. Dining room is kor chiemo, the place for eating. And tables, Annie FJ, thank you for liking the stream. The tables are, we borrowed the word mesa from Swahili. So tables are mesa. We borrowed that from Swahili. And it still stays. We did not have I don't know whether we had a name for a table before, but that's what we have for now. So in a dining room, you expect a table. So table is mesa. The tall table doesn't belong to us. So we say mesa marabor no. You see there. If you say there, that is like it is definite. Mesa marabor no. Ok en marwa is not ours. So that translates to it's not ours. Does not belong to us, is not ours, same WhatsApp group. So the tall table does not belong to us. Mesa mabor no ok en marwa. It doesn't belong to us. Ok en marwa. Then spread the table before you place the food on it. Spread the table before you put the food on it. Then that you say, Nang Abo, thank you for liking the stream. Hey, and thank you for always supporting our channel. You're always there for us. Spread the table before you place the food on it. Ped mesa no ka pok iketo chiemo. Ped mesa no ka pok iketo chiemo. Ped mesa no ka pok iketo chiemo. Spread the table before you place food on it. Ped mesa no. Spread is ped. So ped mesa no ka pok iketo chiemo before you put food. Food is chiemo. So ped mesa no ka pok iketo chiemo. Then the next one is, where are the table mats? And I don't know how to say table mats in Luo. So I will ask somebody. And if you know the table mats, how to translate it, please let me know. And now let me just put it here like this. Whatever will get the name, Nikanye. Where are they? Table mats. Wafula Godran, thank you so much for liking the stream. NEFJ, thank you so very much for liking the stream. Brian K. Mutai, thank you so much for liking the stream. NEFJ, thank you so very much for liking the stream. Nang Abo, thank you so very much for liking the stream. You make our days. So, table mats, I don't know whether we have a name for table mats. But if we do, we shall place it here and say table mats nekanye. Now, if you have the name, if you're watching this later, 10 years later, please put for us the name of table mats. Obatala Onyango, bewachoni ase donjo. I am here. I'm already here. Ase donjo. I'm here. Nyiswa ni table mat ilongo nango. Obatala. Table mat ilongo nango. Then one table is missing. So one table is missing. You'll say mesa achiel ok ane. I can't see one table. Or mesa achiel onge. One table is not there. Okay? This needs an apostrophe, not a question mark. One table is missing. Mesa achiel ok ane. I cannot see one table. Or mesa achiel onge. One table is not there. That's how you'd talk about a table in the kitchen. Wafula is saying we say mesa mat. Table mat, mesa mat nikanye. Mesa mat nikanye. Hey, Wafula. Table mat, mesa mat nikanye. Alrighty. I'll put that there. So, one table is missing. You could say that mesa achiel ok ane or mesa achiel onge. Then number 2, wall table. Move the table next to the wall. Sud mesa no but kor ot. Wall is called kor ot. Okay? And kor ot directly translates to the chest of the house. So kor ot is chest of the house. Alvin Odur Oloach, thank you for liking the stream. Sud mesano but kor ot. Move the table next to the wall. Sud mesano but kor ot. Okay? So move is sud, mesa table, no mesa no, the table, but next kor ot, the wall. Sud mesa no but kor ot. Then the next one says, sit on the other side of the table. Bed komachielo mar mesa. Bed komachielo mar mesa. Sit on the other side of the table. Bed komachielo mar mesa. Okay? An bende ayuso piny maber ahinya e buore koni mosna jowinjo te maneno chenro ni. That is Chief Governor says, hello owadwa oimore kanyo, an bende ayuso piny maber ahinya buore koni. Mosna jowinjo te maneno chenro ni. So that translates to, hello my brother, good evening where you were, and I'm also having a great evening. Please say hi to all the people who are live right now. So all the people who are live, hi guys, hi. Erokamano engineer. Nyiswa ni table mat iluongo nango engineer jowada. Mai gimo tamoka. Table mat, where are the table mats? Lock noma. In a chief engineer ma wangeyo. Where are the table mat? Chief Governor. Table mat ni kanye. Miwa duoko. And thank you so much for those who are sending messages to me. I can see a lot of messages are coming in. And if you get an idea, please send us an email. Usually we respond to the emails. Chairs are kombe. One chair is kom, okay? One chair is kom. Many chairs are called kombe. So let's just talk about the chairs in the kitchen. One chair is kom. Many are kombe. So let me just remove this and say, how many chairs should I place by the table? When you're asking such a question, you will say, aket kombe adi e but mesa. Aket kombe adi but mesa. How many chairs should I place by the table? Aket kombe adi but mesa. Okay? Aket kombe adi but mesa. Aket kombe adi but mesa. Then the other thing is, she has removed all the chairs from the room. Oh, that's a different one. She has removed all the chairs from the room. Now, which room is this? Because remember, for us, for rooms, we have to know which room, okay? Ogolo kombe te mane nitiere e ot. I will say house because I don't know how you will say room without specifying which room, okay? So, ogolo kombe te mane nitiere e ot. She has removed all the chairs from the room. So this is translating to from the house. So let me remove this and say house. Ogolo kombe te mane nitiere e ot. Ogolo kombe te mane nitiere e ot. Okay? Where is your father's chair? Where is your father's chair? So you will say, kom mar wuonu ni kanye. Where is your father's chair? Gini otamo chief engineer be. That one is challenging. Thank you, engineer. Engineer manobotami umera. Thank you though. But thank you for trying. Wacho ni table mat en gima nobiro nyochane. It came the other day, so if it came the other day, it's difficult to translate. Thank you. I also say the same thing when you're not there. Where is your father's chair? Kom mar wuonu ni kanye. Kom mar wuonu ni kanye. Then another one is, the cat's favorite chair is the one in the middle. The cat's favorite chair is the one in the middle. You know the way cats like sleeping on just one chair. Nyambura. Kom ma nyambura ohero mogik. En ma diere no. So, the cat's favorite chair is the one in the middle. Says, kom ma nyambura ohero. Ma ogik. Mogik. En ma diere no. Kom ma nyambura ohero mogik. En ma diere no. So that is the cat's favorite chair. Then the next one is, the dog doesn't like children swinging their legs when sitting on chairs. So the dog, guok, ok ohero ka nyithindo tugo kod tiendegi seche ma gibet e kombe. That's long. That's a long one, man. Guok ok ohero ka nyithindo tugo kod tiendegi seche ma gibet. Gi can be guoge. Seche ma nyithindo obet e kombe. Okay? But this can have many translations. I'm just getting the one that makes more sense. But this can have many translations, because if I say all the others, we shall spend a whole day translating this. Okay? And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the one that we did. The last one we have is bookshelf. And bookshelf, I don't think we do have a word for bookshelf, but karkanobuge. Karkanobuge can surface, because karkanobuge means the place where books are kept. So bookshelf could be called karkanobuge. Karkanobuge, because books are called buge. And it makes sense because we do not have bookshelf, and buge is a very recent word, since books and buge, book and books mean that when the civilization, is it modern? Do you say modern civilization? When modern civilization arrived, then they brought in books. So we did not have a way of starting with another one. So what we did is we just said, okay, what we'll do is we'll just say, this is a book. These are books, okay? So karkanobuge, bookshelf, bookshelf. Where are the books from the bookshelf? Eke buge mane owuok kar kano buge. Ajuko Wafula Karakae emopuonjre ga to wuonda ni ong'e dholuo mayo. Ros Oriema iwacho ni Ijuko Wafula opuonjore kae to wuondi ni ong'e dholuo. Donge ong'eyo ka owacho gigo to ng'eyo. Koro mano e gimomiyo ong'eyo. Thank you Rose for your obudho. Thank you for your obudho with Wafula. That's funny. Dong ene class, koro ka ene class to puonjore. Dong nyako biyo songe. Ana yie kode kabisa. Eke buge mane owuok kar kano buge. So where are the books that came from the bookshelf? Then this shelf has 3 books that I like. Kar kano buge ni nikod buge adek ma ahero. Like, love, same WhatsApp group. They all become to ahero. Hera. So, kar kano buge ni, kar kano buge ni, kar kano buge ni, nikod buge adek ma ahero. Kar kano buge ni, nikod buge adek ma ahero. So then this is, I think this makes a good place to end. I have now completed. If you have not watched the first video, we did it last week. So last week we did part 1 of, what's the title of this thing? I forgot the title. Oh my God. The part 1 of this video we did last week where we talked about the rooms. And then now we were talking about items in each and every room. So that just so that we can remember them. So all these, the rooms were, all these rooms here. We talked about the living room, which is Korbudo, the dining room, which is Korchiemo, the kitchen, which is Kortedo, the bathroom, which is Odluok, the toilet, which is Korlosruok, bedroom, which is Kornindo or Kachiena, and then the store, which is Karkeno, and the granary, which is Dero. Then after we did all the rooms, then we did a lot of sentences inside the rooms. So as we are leaving, as we're finishing up, I want to now, you know me, and always when we are finishing, I like to ask that people subscribe. So if you haven't subscribed already, please consider subscribing. And if you want to support the channel, you just go in and click on this thing here. Click on Luo English Dictionary on YouTube. When you click on Luo English Dictionary, click on the join button. You see this button here? Just click on join. Once you click on join, there are 3 options for joining. Now joining means you support the channel by donating some little money. And this money, we want to use it to create children's content. We want to get some money so we can buy software that can we use for creating children's content. So just click on YouTube. I'll start again. Click on the join button here. And then when you click on join, you can join by paying $1.99 a month. That is 200 Kenya shillings a month, or 500 Kenya shillings a month, or 1,000 Kenya shillings a month. So it depends on which one you want to join from. It doesn't matter, as long as you're supporting the channel, so that we can be able to create content for the children, so that your children and my children will benefit from these videos in years to come, maybe 10, 100 years from now, who knows. So that's why we are seeking your support. So if you're not a member yet, please consider joining. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is my time for the day. If you have any questions, please ask them on the chat box. I will be able to respond if I can. And then we shall close in a few minutes. Hey Tony, what's up? You want to read?
No.
Come and read. Come and read. Come and read.
No, I wanted to ask you something.
No, come and read first, and then you can ask me something. Come and read. Just stand. Yep. So how do you say ought? How do you say house? Sorry.
Ought.
And how do you say living room?
Corbuto.
Yeah. Corbudo.
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 Yes.
Yeah.
And how do you say dining room?
Chiemo.
Wafula is saying, how do you say it was a lie? It was a lie. You say like this. You say, Ne en Miriambo. It was a lie. Ne en Miriambo. Ne en Miriambo.
The cake is a lie, guys.
Ne en Miriambo. That's how you say that. Ne en Miriambo. Okay? Good. All right, let's move on, Tony. How do you say kitchen?
Tortedo. Cortedo. For a second, I thought that said dortedo.
Yeah, you say cortedo. Tedo. Then how do you say bathroom?
Odluok.
Yeah, odluok.
Odluok.
Yep. How do you say
Toilet.
the toilet? Los rock. Cor los rock. Or
Otmatin.
Otmatin. Say Otmatin.
Otmatin.
Which one is easier? This or that?
This. I mean that.
Otmatin.
That Otmatin.
Okay. Then how do you say bedroom? Cornindo. You just talking like a foreigner, man. Oh my goodness.
Oh, well.
Okay, how do you say this?
Cachiena.
Yeah, cachiena. Yes, cachiena. Then how do you say store?
Carkeno.
Then how do you say pantry?
Dero.
Yeah. Then how do you say TV?
Wang liech.
Yeah, Wang liech. Say Wang liech. So say this sentence now.
Wang liech ni e we mesa.
Wang liech ni e we mesa.
That's exactly what I said.
Say it again. Wang liech ni e we mesa. Okay. The TV was off when I arrived. So how do you say that?
I'm exhausted.
No, say it. You don't say I'm exhausted. How do you say that? Right? Read.
Wang liech ni ne osim lechen mane achopo.
Right. Wang liech ne osim seche mane achopo.
How long do I have to do?
for 2 more minutes. Then let's move on to this one here. There, the bed is made from timber.
Otienda no olos kod.
Just say what you see.
Bow.
Yeah. Otanda no olos kod bow.
Otanda no olos kod bow.
Good. Then the last one. The bed has a wobbly leg.
Otanda no ni kod tielo ma yinigi yengi. I can't say it right. Ngani.
All right, guys, thank you so very much, and I hope that you enjoyed the video, and I will see you guys next week on Saturday. Have a great one, and thank you always for joining and for keeping us company. For now, God bless you. Alvin Odur Oloch Erokamano Ahinya. Then I move on to who is next. That is the next is Wafula Gordon Erokamano Ahinya. Then the next is Nang Abo Erokamano Ahinya. Then the next is Annie FJ Asante Sana. Then the next is Brian K. Mutai. Thank you so very much. Then the next is She SBE Kuku. How do you say that? Yeah, Wafula, this time it's my time right now is 11:33, and we usually start at 11. So I don't know what time you are, where you are at your time at the start of the hour. That is the time that we start. So at 11 o'clock Eastern time.
Yes.
EST, yes, EST. Pam ELA. Hey, Pam ELA, thank you for following. Then Sakuntala, thank you for following. Sakuntala Sewandi. Siwari. Oh, Afula in Nairobi, it's in, right now it's what? It's 6:30 in Nairobi. So at 6 o'clock. 6 o'clock. Rana Kaiser. Asante Sana. BJ Sapon. Thank you so much. Oh, that's a lot of people today. I think that was very refreshing. And Anne Akot. That's mom. See mom there?
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah. And Andrew Munyi, thank you so very much. All right, guys, thank you. Bye-bye. 6 o'clock, Nairobi, Kenya, next week, Saturday.